If you know the planet is round and it has a slightly tilted orbit, if you take this orbit and as it travels, as it spins, here it forms a circle. To form this circle, today we know it takes 25,920 years. This is the time taken. This tilt mainly happens because of the gravitational pull of the moon over the earth. And for it to exert that pressure continuously to get this axis to form a circle, it takes this many years. And that many years is called as the one cycle of yugas. 25,920 by 60, because 60 is the number of minutes, 60 is also the number of heartbeats you should have if you are healthy, will turn out to 432. 432 is a number that comes up in various cultures, the Norse culture, the ancient Jewish culture, the Egyptian culture, the Mesopotamian culture, and very much here is 432. Why this 432 is, your heart beats 60 times a minute. If you're in a state of excitement, it may be doing more. If you are in a good health and in good condition, it beats 60 times. So 60 times into 60, it's 3,600 into 24 would be 86,400. This is what it would be. If you divide this by 2, if you leave this out, it's again 432. If you take the number of breaths that you're taking per minute, can you check and tell me how many breaths you're taking per minute? If you're not in a state of heavy excitement, you're doing 15. If you are in a state of sadhana, you've done lots of sadhana, then you could be 12, otherwise you will be 15. So, 15 breaths per minute means into 60 per hour, that is 924, that is 21,600. There is something called as a nautical mile, which is a real mile. That means, when I say the real mile, it has something to do with the planet and the way it is. The other units of measurement that we have created has something to do with the ease with which we can calculate. So 1 nautical mile literally means, you know there are 360 degrees in a circle, all of you know this. So upon the planet, there are 360 degrees. If this is the planet, if this is the equator, there are 360 going up like this. Let's say if you take this one as 1 degree, in this there are 60 minutes, it's referred to as minutes. There are 60 minutes. These 60 minutes, that 1 minute accounts for 1 nautical mile. So that means the circumference of the earth at the equator is 21,600. That's how many breaths you take per day. The planet is not spinning on time, no good at all for us. If you are not in tune with it, still no good for you. I'm just trying to make you understand, time is not just a concept that we invented. Time is deep-rooted in the system, in the very way we are made.